with this standing threat that, yeah, because you passed an Exploration Act, therefore Trump would withhold funding to South Africa. And they said, let's not immobilize Africa. Let's withhold minerals to US. That is it. If they don't give us money, let's not give them minerals. But the reality, they take our minerals, but say, why we're withdrawing funding. No, we have minerals in the continent. And therefore, we have something that we have. We're not just beggars, but we must just use that endowment for our benefit as a continent. But if, as a continent, we are frightened, we fear everything, we are going to collapse, and will collapse with minerals at our doorstep. So my appeal is that Africa is the world's richest mining jurisdiction. And that issue is an issue that we must internalize as a continent, use it to our advantage.
Umnumzane Gwede Mantashe uthi awangabe sathunyelwa ama-minerals akuleli loMzantsi Afrika ezweni laseMelika emva kokuba upresident wakuleli yazwe umnumzane Donald Trump ekhulume amagama eziswana ngezwe lase-South Africa ethi-ke angeke sayithumela nemali eyoxhasa kulelazwe laseMzantsi Afrika ngenxa yalomthetho wasayinwa-ke umnumzane president noma-ke angithi nje upresident Cyril Ramaphosa loya mthetho wawukade-ke ugunyaza uhulumeni ukuba-ke uthathe umhlaba ngenkani kulabo aba-owner umhlaba ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi-ke kwakhiwe izinto ezosizwa umphakathi. Lo mhlaba-ke osuke uthathwa kubantu abasuke bewu-own esikhathi esiningi uyayuthathwe bese kukhandwa mhlambe-ke imigwaqo, kukhandwe ojantshi, kukhandwe ibhedlela, kukhandwe mhlambe ama-airports, kukhandwe yonke lento le ongayicabanga engaphansi kukahulumeni. Kodwa uyayuthi uma ngabe uthathwa lo mhlaba bese ukuthi-ke laba abawu-ownwayo bese-ke benikezwa leso samba esithile semali noma-ke kukhulunyiswane ngendlela elungile. Kodwa njengamanje indlela osayinwe ngayo-ke lo mthetho usugunyaza uhulumeni ukuthi-ke lo mhlaba uwuthathe ngenkani kulaba abawuphethe. Into-ke sithukuthelise umnumzane Donald Trump kanye-ke nabanye abakhulu bakuleli laseMelika abafana-ke nomnumzane Elon Musk ukuthi-ke lo mhlaba ozothathwa lo hulumeni walapha eMzantsi Afrika nje uphethwe abamhlophe nje obuzokhumbula ukuthi-ke u-72% umhlaba walapha eSouth Africa uphethwe ngabantu bebalele imhlophe bese kuthi-ke u-28% umhlaba wakuleli eMzantsi Afrika uhlokoniswa abamnyama, amandiya, abase-Asia kanye-ke nabanye abakhona kuleli. President Donald Trump ebona-ke lo mthetho usayinwa Ramaphosa ubeke sethi yena cha kushuthi-ke angisezukuyiletha-ke imali ezoyolekelela lapha ezweni lase-South Africa nosekwenze abakuleli loMzantsi Afrika babuza ukuthi hawu kanti khona na imali ebekade-ke siyithola evela kuleloze laseMelika nokwenzeke umnumzane Gwede Mantashe aphawuleke njengoba-ke usubonile-ke kule video ethi-ke uma ngabe bethi abazokusinikeza imali nathi-ke kushuthi-ke asizukubanikeza ama-minerals njengoba kuzokhumbula ukuthi-ke izwe lakuleli loMzantsi Afrika kanye-ke nelase-Russia iwona amazwe ahamba phambili noma-ke ahola amanye ngokobuningi noma-ke ngamandla ama-minerals. Ukuqala-ke kwalolu dweshu abaningi basola sengathi kwenziwa ukuqambukela kwaleli loMzantsi Afrika empini yaseCongo kanye-ke nezwe lase-Rwanda njengoba kuzokhumbula ukuthi-ke izwe le-Rwanda nalo-ke seliqalile njengamanje linempi noma linokungezwani nakuleli loMzantsi Afrika kanti-ke izwe lase-Israel selikhombise ukweseka izwe lase-Rwanda kulempi ephakathi kwalo-ke nakuleli loMzantsi Afrika. Yize-ke noma manje kusaseyimpi yamagama kodwa indlela eqhubeka ngayo kungenzeka igcineke isiphelele ezandleni. Umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa-ke naye uke waphendula-ke kwiyinkulumo zikaDonald Trump ebuza ukuthi-ke uDonald Trump ungena kanjani emhlabeni walapha-ke eSouth Africa aphinde futhi-ke emxwayisa ngokuthi-ke akaphumaphele ezinkingeni zalapha eSouth Africa. Nganza kwethu sifisa ukwazi ukuthi-ke le ndaba izophela kanjani kodwa-ke mina ngizolokhu ngu-update ngakho konke okwenzakalayo. Ngicela kuwena ukuthi ungenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe ya-like futhi uyakhomenta sidibane nakwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
And will collapse with minerals at our doorstep. So my appeal is that Africa is the world's richest mining jurisdiction. And that issue is an issue that we must internalize as a continent, use it to our advantage.